Hello everyone, what's poppin' y'all? And today we are going to solve Leetcode problem number 1 to sum. So we are given an array of integer nums and an integer target that returns the indices of two numbers such that they add up to the target. So we can assume that each input would have exactly one solution and we cannot use the same element twice. We can return the answer in any order. So what they're essentially trying to tell us is we are given two integers, that is nums, and another integer target. So we have to find two numbers from the nums array that when added equals target. So let us take example 1 that they've given here. The nums is 2, 7, 11 and 15. Target has been given as 9. So which two numbers when added gives 9? We can clearly see it's 2 and 7 because 2 plus 7 is 9. So they have asked us to return the indices of these two numbers. So the output will be 0, 1 and that is what they've given here. So let us take another example for better understanding. 3, 2, 4 and the target is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5, so no, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So the indices will be 1, 2. That is the correct answer. Now let's get to coding. And then we are initializing a for loop to store the index, value pair I, num. To store the index and value pair, we are using enumerate of nums. Enumerate is a Python function that gives us the index and value at the same time. And then we are coding the logic, which is we are storing the difference of target and nums in the different variable. And then we are checking if the value of the difference variable is already been logged into scene. If the condition is true, we return the index of the current number and index of the earlier scene number that is stored in the dictionary, which will be our answer. If it is not already in the scene, we store the current index of the number and the number in scene. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.